Brother Naija Isabella has finally broken her silence after a viral video with Kayikunmi took the internet by storm. But what she revealed about potentially switching to another housemate has left fans completely shocked. Big Brother Naija Season 10 housemate, Isabella, has finally addressed the controversy surrounding a viral moment with fellow housemate Kayikunmi that has dominated social media discussions. In a response to the situation, Isabella made a surprising revelation about her backup plan. She stated that if Kayikunmi begins to act out or misbehave, she would immediately switch her romantic interest to another housemate, named Daboski. This statement came as Isabella addressed the aftermath of what happened during and after the house's first Saturday night party on August 2, 2025. The party, which was meant to be a fun evening for all housemates, became the center of major controversy when cameras captured intimate moments between Isabella and Kayikunmi. During the party and later in the evening, the two housemates were seen getting very close in various parts of the house, including the lounge and bedroom areas. Their interaction became so intense and it sparked widespread debate across Nigerian social media platforms. The footage from their private moment after the party went viral, generating mixed reactions from viewers. Many people expressed concerns about the appropriateness of such display on national television, while others criticized the content standards of the show. Social media users had varying opinions about what they witnessed. Some viewers felt embarrassed watching the scenes, while others questioned whether such behavior was suitable for a family-friendly show. With many references concerned about young viewers who might be watching, the controversy has brought up discussions about privacy and reality TV boundaries. Some fans defended the housemates' right to express themselves, while others felt the display went too far for broadcast television. Isabella's statement about having Daboski as a backup plan option suggests she's strategically thinking about her relationship in the house. This revelation shows that despite the intimate moments with Kayikunmi, she's keeping her options open for the game.
And I like Dan too. I think if Kayikunmi is behaving some kind of way, I would like to play with Dan too.
Someone might not be pleased to hear that.
At this point, I don't know, today or yesterday, since yesterday has been so nice, because he was already painting a narrative that I invited him to my bed first, and which everybody was saying. They've not said it to my face because, I don't know, they will not try it. So it was not looking like I was trying to force myself on him. So, but yesterday and today has been sweet, and yeah, we're cool. So if he just tries to be all sneaky again, then we'll play another game. But yeah, I like him so much.
The situation has made Isabella and Kayikunmi the most talked about pair in the early weeks of the season, though not necessarily for positive reasons. What do you think about Isabella's strategic approach to relationship in the house? Is it smart gameplay, or does it show she's not serious about her connections? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to stay updated on all latest Big Brother Naija Season 10 drama and housemate revelations, please like this video, subscribe to NaijaNews TV, hit the notification bell so you never miss any trending moments from the Biggie's house. Stay tuned.